my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. A bearish dark cloud cover pattern yesterday. Seems a rapid move up and close over the March 2020 high at 68.71.5, the January high at 69.10, and probably especially the rising medium moving average, currently 69.28, in such a rapid succession, was a little too much bullishness in one go for this market. This continues to bring to my mind a period of indecision that culminated in the fourth countering bearish piercing line pattern. That was 2 Fridays ago. Wondering if the market may be looking to enter another period of indecision. I had said last week and this week as well that I had a concern about this market. Yesterday at the time of writing it looked like it might just be becoming assuaged. Now I'm not so sure. So far today though, a reactionary bullish white soldier based on the January high and pushing up over the rising medium moving average at this time. Overhead we have the June base downtrend currently at 70.23, which is at this moment entwined with the declining short medium moving average currently at 70.27. German DAX futures. A third bullish white soldier yesterday as the market continues its recovery from the big move lower on Monday. The market pushed up and closed over the short medium moving average currently at 15.527. Further overhead we have the old 50% projected Fibonacci line at 15.629 and then the all-time high at 15.806. The precious nature of this market seems to have now calmed down as the longer term implications and reappraisal from May's monthly key reversal up seep throughout this month's action. So far today, a higher open again and a further move up through the old 50% projected Fibonacci line. As I said on Tuesday this week, this looks like a more earnest try higher as the base of the action was on Monday's, at that time, low close. US E-mini S&P futures. A higher, yet still indecisive spinning top yesterday. It was based on the short moving average, currently at 43.50, and the recent 50% projected Fibonacci line at 43.43. You could argue that it was also a third bullish white soldier, and I would go along with that purely because it continues to be a suitable follow-on higher to the recent immediate countering bullish harami. This continues to be a strong response to Monday's bearish opening long black Maribozo. Overhead is the all-time high at 43.84.5, and I'm wondering if this market still has a question mark on whether it can make it up there. You see, I still have target X above that in the 44.12 area, the original target for the break upwards out of the May to date rising wedge pattern. And we are getting even closer. So far today, a stronger, higher open once again, opening on the high of yesterday and almost gapping higher. We're now approaching the all-time high and just beyond that, target X at 44.12. French CAC 40 futures. A gapping higher, since filled, yet still higher and also indecisive spinning top pattern yesterday. Despite the long tongue higher, the main action was centered around the 50% projected Fibonacci line of 64.80 and the flatlining short medium moving average currently 64.86. In its way, I suppose it was also a follow-on higher to the recent strong immediate countering bullish harami. However, the top was capped at the June to date downtrend currently at 65.18. That is also the upper trend line of the June to date breached but still functioning descending expanding wedge pattern. Just in case we have another significant move today, I'm still not comfortable just yet to start labeling targets for the descending expanding wedge pattern. However, to give an idea of the size of any possible moves below or above, move lower would be about 135 points under the confirmed breach of the lower trend line. A move higher would be about 350 points over the confirmed breach of the upper downtrend. I'll leave it at that for the moment. So far today, another higher open over the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 64.80 and the short medium moving average, and most importantly punching through the downtrend of the possible expanding wedge pattern. quite a significant moment considering where we were on Monday. It all now depends on where we close tonight. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.